Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and for today's English lesson, let's take a look at 3 tricky prepositions that we use to talk about time. Those prepositions are at, on, and in. I know a lot of people have trouble with these 3 prepositions to talk about time, but I'm going to show you a trick that'll help you always remember which one to choose. Let's start with at. We use at to talk about clock time. You can say things like at 5 o'clock, at noon, at midnight. I woke up at 6 this morning. I think we're having a meeting at noon. Next, let's look at on. We use on for a day. You can say things like on Tuesday, on June 1st, on my birthday. I'm going to Chicago on Tuesday. I think Jack's birthday is on the 21st. So what are you going to do on Friday? So we use at for clock time. We use on for a day. That's all you need to remember. At for clock time, on for a day. Everything else about time we use in a month, in a season, in a year, in a decade. Everything else is in. My birthday is in April. You can see a lot of cherry blossoms in the spring. Jack moved to Brooklyn in 2010. The Beatles were popular in the 1960s. That building was built in the 18th century. The museum has some tools that they used in the Stone Age. Let's review. We use at for clock time, at 5 o'clock. We use on for a day, on Tuesday, on June 1st. And we use in for everything else. How about you? What time did you wake up this morning? What day is your birthday on this year? When did you start to study English? Why not leave a comment below and let us know, and I'll see you next time right here at Happy English. Bye guys!